Hi to everyone and welcome. If you want to run your own business in Shopify, definitely this video can be handy for you, because in this video I want to provide you with all information that you need to start your own business in Shopify. I want to make this video as short as possible, not to waste your time, because I saw those videos in internet like 1 hour long or 3 hour long, or a lot of people selling courses of how to start your own business in Shopify. We're not about that. I just want to show you and highlight to you all the things that you need to know from inside of Shopify platform. First thing that you need to do is to find the link in the description panel of this video, and using that link you'll be able to get to Shopify, and then you need to press the start a free trial. It's 14 days and it's absolutely enough to take care about all the things that you need to take care of. First of all, you need to pass the registration. It's absolutely simple and easy, and I will not show it to you. You just need to provide the platform with your email address, with a password, and create your store name. This can be very interesting point, because your store name, the platform will tell you that such store name is occupied and it's not available, and you need to create a new one. So all the good store, nice shop, well store, and so on, it's occupied for sure, and you need to create something more interesting and more specific. So guys, I will not waste your time. I'll try to make this video as short as possible, so we jump in straight to inside of the platform. That's how the platform looks from inside. And you have home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, and apps, and online store itself. So there's 3 small steps that you need to make to start to launch your business. Now this is absolutely new account, clear account. You see that I have 8 days left of my trial. You need to add a product, customize theme, and add a domain. And that's what you actually need to do to launch your business. And of course you need to select a plan. Let's find out what are those. Those are $29 per month, and transaction fee is different, so you need to consider that information. Transaction fee here is 2%. In this more expensive plan is 1%, and in Pro is 0.5%. Of course, different locations, different staff accounts, and so on. So you need to choose which one is suitable for you, which one is suitable for your business. And definitely it's better to use $29 per month if you're just newcomer, and if you're just interested in how to start, $29 per month, it's okay. But first you need to start your trial, and while you have your trial period, you can set up all the things, and it's pretty enough time, believe me. I will not set up this online shop right now, just to show you this account was created just to show you what are the processes inside of the platform. If you have no information about how to get started, of course you can use all those educational materials that the platform provides you with, and you'll know a lot about that, because platform interested in more sales, interested in more people who are selling on the platform, and that's why they can provide you with all information that you need actually, and all the marketing materials and all the things. So add a product, customize theme, and add a domain. But first let's discover all those pages. Home is this page that you see right now. Orders, from this space you will manage all the orders that you'll have, drafts and abandoned checkouts. So you need to first select a plan. Of course, platform asks you to buy first to be able to sell. Drafts, manually create orders and invoices, and abandoned checkouts. If somebody will leave your website with abandoned checkouts, you'll see all those here, and you can manage them also. You can work with them. Products, this is the spot where you can add and remove products and manage all your inventory for good. Transfers, collections, and gift cards, all those you can manage from the products. Customers, here's the button where you can manage all information about your customers and their purchase history. For example, somebody will buy not once but twice or 3 times or 4 and so on and so on. You'll see all those people right here. Analytics, this is very important. It's pretty enough here to be able to run your business more efficiently. Reports and so on, live view. Marketing. The marketing is one of the most important parts of your business. You can have work in business, but if you don't have a marketing, nothing will happen for sure. So you need to invest your money in the marketing campaigns, and you can create campaigns straight from here. If you don't know how to manage all those, you can learn more about marketing straight from the platform. There's plenty of information right here, you see. And marketing apps, guys, this is huge, really. If you have an infrastructure of your website, you have a couple products to sell, definitely it's better to use more applications. And for example, SMS bump marketing and automation. It's cool feature, cool stuff. You can use the text marketing. You can send an SMS to your audience to remind them abandoned checkouts, for example, or to remind them that you have new products and you have new items, you have new collections, and so on and so on. And definitely it can be more efficient. The sales can be more efficient if you will use extra marketing apps, because when you have the infrastructure of your website, then when you're gonna add some new and like email marketing, Snapchat ads, grow your business with shoppable ads on Snapchat. Isn't that cool? So all the marketing campaigns, all the overview of the campaigns, and all the automation that will let you sleep until your online shop is working, and that's cool. Discounts, here you can manage all the coupons and discounts. Applications, that's what I told you about just a second ago. And let's jump to online store, and that's what you waited for. You see that online store is password protected. That's because we didn't bought yet an account and plan. And when you see online store speed, current theme, to disable password, it's all in preferences. Your password, you need to pick a plan. Okay, so you need to set up all the things first, and as we already in the preferences, let's talk about them. Title and meta description of your site. It's very important. SEO is very important. Search engines, you need to optimize your site. Definitely you need to describe your business with a title and meta description. You see 320 characters right here. If you want to share your link, you need to take care about the sharing image preview, and the page title and description will be taken from here. Google Analytics, if you want to use analytics, extra analytics, except the analytics that you see here in the platform, you need to pass the code from Google here. Facebook Pixel, also, if you don't know what's that, Facebook Pixel is a great app that ensures that gives you the opportunity to check who are those people from Facebook who was jumping to your site and maybe they left, or maybe, well, Facebook Pixel, learn more about Facebook Pixel because that's a great tool. Customer privacy, okay, limit tracking, limit third-party sale, password protection, I told you already about that, and spam protection. So let's jump to themes. Definitely you need your website be like a pro, all right? And I suggest you not to use the default theme that everybody use this theme, and for a lot of people it's absolutely clear that you're a newcomer. That's why I suggest you to use the themes that are pre-built, and there are free themes here in the theme library. You can explore them, or you can use the Shopify theme store to buy some if you have opportunity to buy. But in general, all the editing features are pretty the same. That's why I'm jumping to customize all the themes, and I will show you what can you do. It's not similar to other website building platforms, because in those platforms, if you're familiar with them, you know that all happening with the drag and drop features, and you can move things around the display and so on. Here, it's as for me, it's pretty classical, you know. And you have all the structures the same, like header, footer, and the content blocks, the sections, and you can move those sections around using this 6 dots like button. You see, you can move them around, and you can add more sections from here. There are tons of them. Interested in one, and for example, you can apply the video. You can add map to your, maybe you have a physical store somewhere, and you can add this store via map to here, in blog posts and custom content and so on. Well, you have a lot of things to play with. First of all, you need to understand that any landing page or web page or selling page contains a lot of information, okay? And this information are like text, images, videos, and interactive elements, you know, like buttons and so on. How to manage things from inside. For example, image text. As I told you, you can't edit the text with a double click as in other website building platforms. But everything is happening with this left hand menu, and all the settings, all the things that you can make right from this spot, like section height, for example. Yeah, you can make it extra small, large, or extra large. But let's explore the free images. If you don't have your own content, you can use this library and free images, and like there's tons of them available here. And definitely I like this coffee beans. Definitely it's better to use your own content, yeah. But if you have no opportunity to make that content by yourself, or to order the photographer, for example, yeah, definitely it's cool that you have free images, and you can set up your store like in a day. For example, if you have a text, if you have an idea of your business, then you can find an images here from free and absolutely for free, and you can use those. How to remove sections. For example, here in this spot, you can only move these sections. And what if I don't need testimonials? I'm jumping inside of that section, and you see you can make it invisible or hide, and you can remove section. I want to remove section, and everything is reordered, and that's cool. You see that image with text, left, right. Yeah, all the things you can change here. Gallery, featured collections, all your products will be available here. But how to add the products itself? Let's jump out from the editor, because actually you'll figure out how it works. And we're gonna go to products and add a product. It also has unusual shape, but it's very convenient when you have a lot of things to sell. And there's a title, description. I told you already about the SEO, search engine optimization, and definitely you need to use all those titles and descriptions to take care about visibility of your site for search engines. Some people adding images and videos here in the description, but I suggest you to use the media spot, and you can add drop files to upload. Pricing. What's the currency? I don't know. For example, you're selling something about 150 and you compare it to price. A lot of people using like 1,000. No, it will be crossed. It's not true. So for example, 225, yeah, compared to price. You can charge tax on this product, or you can leave it alone. But if you're in US, you probably may do that. If you make any drop shipping and you know the cost per item is less than 150, for example, you're buying for 100, you see the margin and you see the profit for selling one item, and so on and so on. You can use all those things to describe your items that you're selling with the tags. You can add it to collections, you can make a vendor, you can product type, and so on. There's a lot of things, and when it's going to be ready, it takes time to take care about all of things. When you're going to be ready, you need to select a plan, of course, to start selling, because you will not be able to do that before you'll get a plan, because your website will be password restricted, and that's it. I showed you all the core things that you need to know. I showed you all the things from inside of the platform, and it's up to you to describe. Nobody will describe your business better than you. So take your time, be wise, take care about all the things in Shopify, and buy your first Shopify plan. Start selling, run your marketing campaigns, manage all the sales, and be happy. What I wanted to say. I wish you big profits. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was useful. I wish you good luck in all your businesses, and if you're a real entrepreneur, you'll get this for sure. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.